Welcome to Chef Bimal Kitchen. Today we are making a rich, creamy and super delicious recipe which is cream of mushroom soup. So let's get started and make this tasty soup step by step. So first of all, I have taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter, and I am going to melt down. Now I am going to add 20 gram of chopped garlic and I am going to saute it well. Now I am going to add half cup of chopped white onion, 15 gram of chopped celery and 1 sprig of fresh thyme, and I am going to put the thyme leaves only. Now I am going to saute it again. Now I am going to add 1 cup of sliced button mushroom and I am going to saute it again. Now I am going to add salt to taste. One-fourth teaspoon of crushed black pepper. And I am going to saute it again. Now I am going to add 60 gram of flour and I am going to mix it. Now I am going to add 400 ml of water. And mix it well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Now I am going to add half cup of cream. And I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley. Now I am going to make it cool down. And I am going to add half of soup into blender. Now I am going to blend it till fine puree. Now I am going to add pureed soup into it. And I am going to heat and give a good mix. Soup is ready now. Now I am going to transfer it into serving bowl, and finally I am going to garnish it with cream, sauté mushroom and chopped parsley. Soup is ready. Let me try how it is. Wow, it is so yummy and very simple to make. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.